Yes, so now we are discussing about information technology. In that information technology, today's subject is importance of data science in marketing. Marketing is evolving right before our eyes, and this information is being led by data. Clustering, regression, and machine learning are examples of approaches, data science approaches that have transformed marketing from a creative to a scientific arena. Marketing teams can discover product and customer insights at a scale in an unprecedented way by leveraging data science. And the next point is the role of scientists in marketing. Data scientists are use data scientists use artificial intelligence and mathematical modeling to uncover new insights. For example, a data scientist in marketing can answer questions like who are your potential customers, what alternatives do your products customers have, what are people's opinions of your brand, what other items do your customers wish to purchase. A marketing team can cut waste and target customers in cost-effective and personalized ways by enlisting the help of a data scientist. And next point is data science in marketing workflow. Understanding the data science workflow is crucial to allow your marketing team to truly benefit from the insights and interact effectively with your data scientist. After you have defined your task and obtained access to your data, the data scientist will then conduct an exploratory data analysis to determine the best model for obtaining the insights you seek. This could mean testing models of historical data sets and determining their accuracy, or it could involve a variety of alternative approaches to establish a baseline that assesses the effectiveness of whichever model is picked. After the model is chosen, the data is formatted in a more friendly way. This could include determining how to handle missing values, duplicates, or other variables that make the model more difficult to apply. It is first run to subset of the data to train the model. The approach you select will adapt to the data, allowing you to apply the model to any data sets with the same parameters. Finally, the model is fine-tuned. This is to make sure that the model is not over fitted to the data and that it performs as expected. Next point is what makes data science is marketing so important. Hyper personalization. All businesses strive for true personalization in their marketing techniques. This means understanding an individual's performance for content types, communication channels, and frequency of communication, and then customizing each experience at scale. Data science marketing can develop outputs that deliver these targeted insights using pattern recognition, clustering, and predictive modeling. These leaves you with more personalized and meaningful band to customer interactions, leading to improved engagement, increased conversions, and more revenue. Better acquisition. Next point is better acquisition. Data science marketing can put both prospect and customer data through models to allow marketers to develop specific campaign frameworks for all stages. As a result of acquisition, modeling providing the greatest available prospect data through a range of attributes. Less money is lost during the customer acquisition phase. And the next point is, on the other hand, by recognizing the most common reasons for attrition and implementing defensive marketing initiatives to avoid it. Predictive attrition allows your marketing team to counteract revenue losses. And the next point is data science marketing for high impact marketing. Data science as a marketing function is a key component of high impact marketing teams in the future. Data science as a marketing predictive data is here to stay, and it is used in marketing will allow for next level marketing and such as revenue maximization through acquisition, first purchase and upsell campaigns, increased customer loyalty, higher levels of personalization, less money wasted on testing, decreased attrition. And next point is, at the end of the day, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence have revolutionized digital marketing. Data science will become an indispensable marketing function that your business will have to leverage to stay competitive. This is the information regarding importance of data science in marketing. Data science marketing is so much important, but there should not be a continuous and recurring messages and SMSs should not give an honest marketing system. Data science is good, and importance of data science in marketing is very good. But while getting the data from the data science, you should not give frequent messages and frequent emails. It is not good. At least once in a month you can send an email, and once in a month itself one SMS is enough. That is honest. Continuous messages and SMSs and emails will give customer to an indirect harassment. That we should not do. If you are doing all these things, especially in emails also, you should explain your what sort of marketing you are doing, or what are the benefits to the customer. That is also you should explain clearly. Then it will be successful. Wishing you all the best.